What can you say, sir, that President Duterte is now facing a plunder complaint filed with the Department of Justice?
Yes. Well, that's what the courts are there for. No? So, tayo ay talagang susunod na lamang sa very time-honored principle na innocent until proven guilty. At ako na po, bilang kaibigan niya, ay siguradong-sigurado naman na ang lahat ng ginawa ng ating nakaraang Pangulo ay the best interest of the people.
Sir, just last follow-up for me, sir. In 2020, sir, you were among the vocal critics of the ABS-CBN, sir. If you become senator, sir, what are your policies po? What will be your policies to safeguard press freedom in the Philippines, sir? Thank you, sir.
The franchise issue is a very different issue from